Troubleshooting Windows 11 Connectivity Issues. Is your Windows 11 computer struggling to connect to the internet? This video will guide you through common connectivity issues and provide step-by-step solutions to get you back online in no time.
Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. If you are facing Wi-Fi issue in your computer or laptop, you are not able to connect Wi-Fi, then please follow these steps, okay? Then problem may be fixed. Okay, the first step is that you have to check some physical switch on your laptop, okay? Some laptop may have the switch, okay? So you can see here in photo also. You can find out here turn off and turn on switch of Wi-Fi at the side of laptop, and like this you can find out turn off and turn on switch on your laptop. If that switch is off, you can just press this turn on, okay? This is the first step. The second step is that make sure that earphone mode is off, okay? If your computer or laptop is on the earphone mode, then you cannot connect the Wi-Fi. How can you do that? You can just press Windows I key or open the setting, press Windows I key, go to the setting, and here you can find out network and internet tab, and here you can find out airplane mode, okay? Just you have to turn off airplane mode, okay? Make this off, okay? You can check from this icon also. You can find out here if this is in turn on status, then you cannot connect the Wi-Fi, okay? Just off that airplane mode. And 3 number is that enable Wi-Fi adapter in device manager, okay? Thus you can simply press Windows X and select device manager and go to network adapters, okay? If there is, I can find out wireless adapter or Wi-Fi adapter. If that adapter is disabled, then just right click and enable it, okay? Let's do the practical. How can you do that? Press Windows X key and you can find out here device manager. Just click here. Then after you can find out here network adapters, and here you can find out Intel Dual 1 wireless adapter. If it is disabled, okay, suppose this adapter is disabled, you can find out this type of symbol. Just right click and enable it, okay? And you can connect the Wi-Fi. And next is that you can restart the Wi-Fi adapter, okay? How can you do that? Just go to the device manager or press Windows X key, okay? Then after go to the device manager and you just have to click the right click on Wi-Fi adapter, okay? Go to network adapters and just hit disable and enable, okay? Like this you can also enable, okay, Wi-Fi adapter, okay? You can fix the Wi-Fi. You can check the network troubleshooter, okay? You can go setting or press Windows I key to open setting, press I. Then after you can find out the troubleshooter, okay? Here is troubleshoot. just click there and click all the troubleshooters, and you can find out network and internet troubleshooter. Just run this troubleshooter, okay, and this troubleshooter will fix your issue, okay. If there is an issue, then after each pop-up notification Wi-Fi is turned off, okay, in my case, because I have turned off my Wi-Fi. Okay, next is that you have to update your driver. Okay, how can you do that? Just simply press Windows X key or right click on start menu and just go to device manager and go to the network adapters. Just here the wireless adapter and update the driver, and choose here source automatic drivers, and you can search for updated drivers on Windows Update, okay. And this, okay, this Windows Update will update your driver. Okay, like this you can fix the problem. Now number 7 is reset network setting. How can you reset network setting? You should go to setting, press Windows I and advanced network and network reset and reset now, okay. This will remove all and restore all your network adapters including Wi-Fi and reset network configuration to their default, okay. This means all the previous network setting will be removed, okay. Wi-Fi password all will be removed and this will be the default one, okay. How can I do that? Just press Windows I key to open the setting and go to your network and internet tab. Under here you can go to advanced network setting, and here then after you can find here network reset. Just click this option and just click the reset now, okay. You can try this. I'm not going to try because my Wi-Fi is working, and you can check for updates, okay. You can update your PC. Just press update and here the check for updates and click the check for updates, okay. You must have connect Wi-Fi, okay. If this solution couldn't work, then after you have to check your malware and system corruption. If there are any system corruption, okay, then after Wi-Fi couldn't work, and how can you fix that? You can fix like this, okay. Go to setting, Windows I, and go to privacy and security option. Then after go to Windows security and go to virus and threat protection. Then after go to scan option. Then after choose full scan and scan now, okay. You just have to scan once a month, okay. If you do that, if you perform that task, then your device will be safe, right? Okay. Now if you suspect system corruption, run the system file checker, okay. You can run the command prompt. Just type this command, okay. Just type cmd and run as an administrator. Give S permission and just type sfc space /scan now, okay. And this also will scan all the system file in your computer system, okay. And number 10 method is the check Wi-Fi setting, okay. Or you can press Windows R key and type ncp.cpl and if this is disabled, then after just right click and enable it and try connect Wi-Fi connected or not. Okay, if none of these steps work, there might be a hardware issue. You should consult, you should contact with technician nearby your technician. Okay, if you find this video helpful, then don't hesitate to subscribe, share, comment. Okay friends, I'm waiting for that. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching this video, friend. If this video helped you, then don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe.